Okay, so I'm sure you've probably heard of affiliate marketing and the amazing potential to earn passive income that it brings. But if you're new to all this, it can come with a lot of questions like, what exactly is affiliate marketing and is it really legit? Is it really all it's cracked up to be? Can just anyone get in on being an affiliate, and how do you actually get started with it? Do you have to have a huge audience for it to actually earn decent income? It can honestly just seem too good to be true. I started my affiliate income journey just over 2 years ago now and can tell you that it absolutely has the incredible potential that's so often talked about. That is, though, if you have the right strategy going into it. Can anyone do it? Yes. Do you need to have a plan in place to do it successfully? Yes. So in today's video, I'm giving an affiliate marketing for beginners tutorial to walk you step by step through exactly what affiliate marketing is, what things you can affiliate for, how to find and sign up for affiliate programs, how to start growing your audience so you have people to actually promote to, and the steps you need to take to get started. Coming up. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If we haven't met yet, I'm Kate. In addition to being a wife and mom, I'm an online business owner and passive income strategist, and I'm here to help you start and scale your online business so that you can make a full-time income doing what you love. So like I mentioned before, today we're talking all things affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you're excited, give a little love tap on that thumbs up button and let's dive in. Okay, so first let's talk about what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is arguably the most passive form of passive income because you're making money on recommending other people's products or services. So when you become an affiliate for a company, you're recommending or you're promoting to your audience, and you're using a unique link to give your audience. So if they purchase something from that company through your unique affiliate link, the company can track it to you and give credit to you by giving you a commission on every sale that comes through. So this is not making money on your own products. This is purely from promoting and recommending other people's products or services. Now, the types of affiliate commissions can vary, anything from a percentage of every sale that comes through to a flat rate per lead or per sale. They can be recurring monthly or one time. So there are a lot of different types of affiliate programs, but either way, it's amazing that you can make passive income just by recommending things that you already use and love and know could serve your audience too. The person who purchases is not paying any extra to use your affiliate link. It's still the same cost or price for them. You're just getting rewarded in a way by the company for making that recommendation by getting a cut of the sale. Now remember, you're not using just the general link to the website to give to your audience. You're using your unique affiliate link. So every affiliate has their own unique link that allows the company to track it back to you. So let's talk about what you can actually promote as an affiliate. There's a wide range of things you can promote as affiliate, and it's completely up to you what fits in best with your content or your audience type. You can promote anything from physical products to digital products to softwares and services. So for instance, if you create content around beauty, you might suggest a specific lip gloss that you've really loved or an eyeshadow. You would tell your audience about it and then give them your unique link to purchase on the website. That would be an example of a physical product, but you can also promote digital products, things like templates or spreadsheets. So let's say you're giving business advice and you have a specific template that you've used for your social media account. You could promote that if that company that you purchased it from has an affiliate program and recommend it to your audience, receiving a commission for the sales that come in from your audience members who also purchase it to use. Physical products and digital products are great to affiliate for, but my absolute favorite thing to be an affiliate for is a tool or a software, especially if the sign up to use the software is on a recurring monthly basis. This means that if you make a recommendation for that software to your audience and someone purchases it and signs up for the monthly plan, you'll get a commission every single month recurring for as long as that customer stays active using the platform. This means that your passive affiliate income is not just one time, it's recurring monthly, giving you a little bit more stability in knowing what's coming each month. So a great example of this is Canva. I am an avid Canva user. I use it for everything in my business. I'm on Canva every single day and I absolutely love it. So why wouldn't I recommend it to my audience who I also know would benefit from it? Canva has a free plan and a paid pro version. So as a Canva affiliate, if I recommend Canva to someone and they decide to sign up for the paid pro version to have more elements to use, then I get a certain percentage percentage of their monthly payment to Canva as an affiliate. So this may not be applicable for everyone. It depends on if you actually use these tools and softwares in your business or at your everyday life and feel like you could honestly recommend them to your audience and if they would really serve your audience. But if that's the case, this is my absolute favorite because it builds on itself over time and gives you more stability in your income. Okay, let's talk about the steps you'll need to take to get started with affiliate marketing. But first, if you're finding value in this video, will you consider subscribing to the channel? We release new content each and every week talking about all things passive income, even if you're a beginner, to get you started earning passively and growing your business online. I also have a totally free passive income guide for you linked in the description box below. So after you watch this video, make sure to grab that. It's my passive income blueprint that talks about my top 3 favorite forms of passive income and walks you step by step through how to start from scratch, building in multiple revenue streams for your business. Okay, step number 1 to get started is you'll need to start to build an audience. So it seems like common sense, but it needs to be said that you have to have someone to make these recommendations to, right? If you're going to be an affiliate for something, you want to promote or recommend something, you have to have someone to talk to about it, right? So you have to start building your audience. Now, do you have to have a huge audience for this to work? Absolutely not. You can start small. You can start even just with the people you have already in your circle. But the key here is that you need to have the right audience. And the larger you can build your audience over time, the more people you'll have to promote to, which will lead to more affiliate sales in the end. So how do you start to build this audience, you may ask? Well, the answer is simple. Content marketing. Content marketing is where you're going to get out there and you're going to provide free content that's valuable and that serves people on a specific platform. So the first step here is to consider what platform fits you best. What are you maybe already on that you're familiar with? Or think about your target audience member and where they're already hanging out. This could be on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You could have a blog, but you're going to pick one specific platform to start and you're going to start creating free, valuable content that solves problems for people or provides solutions for people. My favorite platform personally is YouTube, and that's what I've seen the most success with because YouTube is a search engine. So I love the fact that you can create videos that answer specific questions for people or solve specific problems for people that they're going on to YouTube anyway and searching for. This is an amazing way to get discovered on the platform, and I love that on YouTube, your content has a longer shelf life, so the videos that you made several years ago can still earn passively for you every single day. So in addition to deciding what platform you want to focus on, you also need to think about your who and what. Who is your content for and what question are you answering for them or what problem are you solving for them? An example of this for, let's say, a beauty influencer could be creating a video on how to use bronzer. For a fitness coach, it could be daily workout ideas. Think about what people are already searching for on that platform and create content around that. Step number 2 is to sign up for affiliate programs. So in this step, you're actually going to think about what you want to affiliate for and sign up for the specific program. Each company will have a different kind of affiliate program. They're all run in different ways, so you'll need to do the research a little bit to figure out if the company you're thinking of even offers an affiliate program, and if so, what kind of commission you'll be getting. Do they have any minimum requirements for affiliates to sign up? And go through the steps of actually requesting to become an affiliate with them. Now, a note here for successful affiliate marketing is that you don't want to just recommend anything and everything. You only want to recommend things that you already use yourself or that you know will benefit your audience, that you can, in honesty and full integrity, recommend, knowing that it is truly a quality service or product. This will build trust with your audience and they'll continue to trust your recommendations if they're seeing that the ones you've made before and that they've purchased have come through and really served them well. So once you decide the things that you already know, love, use, and want to recommend as an affiliate, go to that company's website and search for their affiliate program. A lot of times it'll be in the drop-down menu or at the menu at the bottom. It'll say something like affiliate or community. You want to click on that and just go through the steps to sign up. Now, if the company you're thinking of doesn't offer an affiliate program, you can always feel free to reach out to them and to ask if they would consider starting an affiliate program, and if so, if you could be one of their first affiliates. And moving on to step number 3, start promoting. Once you're all signed up and ready to go with your affiliate programs, you want to start promoting in your content in a really seamless and organic way. You don't want to sound super salesy, so it's really important that the things you choose to affiliate for actually align really well with the type of content you're offering. This way you can mention these products and services in your videos, in your posts, in your content without it seeming like a really strange commercial that's just popped up or something. It's sort of like a seamless integration content, it organically fits with what you're already talking about and is an honest and true recommendation. Now, along with talking about the product, talking about what you love about it, sharing features of it, all of that, you want to make sure that you're sharing your unique affiliate link in an easy to find spot. So if you're creating content on YouTube, you would put your affiliate link in the description of the video and then give a call to action to your viewer specifying where it is by saying something like, click the link in the description box below to try it out. You want to make it really easy for your viewer or your audience member to find where that link is and to click through on it. You also want to mention any kind of incentive that the company is giving along with it, like a free trial that's available or a discount of some sort. Now, once you start promoting and getting some traffic through your link, you want to start tracking your sales. For each affiliate program that you're part of, you should have a dashboard of some sort that you can check your referrals and commissions on and keep track with the amount of traffic that's coming through, the percentage of people that are actually signing up, and what your commissions are each month. A lot of affiliate programs actually also have tiered levels for affiliates to move up. So the more signups you get, the more referrals that come through, the higher tier you can move up to and actually earn either a greater percentage or a higher flat fee per signup. So your affiliate dashboard is an area you want to be super familiar with, checking it often to be able to track everything that's happening through your affiliate links. So those are the steps you can take to get started, but here's the key, friend. Here is the thing that's going to make it super successful, and that is focusing on your content marketing, or focusing on intentionally putting content out that's going to build our audience. Because like I said before, the larger audience you can build, the more eyes you'll have on your content, the more traffic you'll have coming through your links, and the more commissions you'll end up with. So you build your audience by offering free, valuable content that answers questions for people, solves problems for people, and truly serves people in a real way. If you can consistently continue putting out that kind of content on whatever platform you decide on, your audience will grow over time, and you'll see your affiliate commissions growing over time as long as your affiliate recommendations stay aligned with the type of content that you're putting out there and your ideal audience member who is viewing your content. So hopefully this helps you, friend. I'm so excited for you to get started with affiliate marketing and excited to continue walking with you on the journey. Now, if you think you might want to choose YouTube as your main platform for your content marketing, I have a video on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch and how to get your first 1,000 subscribers fast. So if you're interested in that, you can click or tap on the square on the screen right now, and that'll take you over to watch that video. Talk soon, friends.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.